Upgrade your front yard with a stunning custom wooden mailbox. Construct a gorgeous wooden gazebo supported by painted old tires. Dipping fabric into liquid cement creates a unique garden pot. Grow delicious fresh strawberries vertically using an old wooden pallet. Plant vibrant blooming tulips inside a beautiful heart-shaped garden. Make creative stepping stones using real leaves and wet cement. Dipping fabric into liquid cement creates a unique garden pot. Dipping fabric into liquid cement creates a unique garden pot. Build a stunning butterfly-shaped flower bed for your yard. Design a clean and modern garden border with neat stones. Transform your backyard with modern pavers and a cozy fire pit. Create a beautiful garden pathway using concrete and colorful stones.